Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Happy Freya from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eye with a circle. Now inside, let's add another circle at the bottom. And then let's color this one in black. And lastly for the eye, let's add some eyelashes on the top. Next, let's hop up and start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start above the eye and let's draw a curve up. Then a V shape on the left side. And now let's draw the horn. Let's start with a long curve up. And then curve it back down. And then from the bottom, let's draw a curve down. And then bring it back up past the eye like this. And then underneath, let's add one more curve. Then let's hop over on the left side of the head and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Next, let's move inside and draw the mouth. Let's start by drawing a curve up towards the eye and then bringing it back down. And then inside, a wavy line in the center. And then 3 diagonal lines on the top section. And 3 in the bottom section for the teeth. And lastly for the mouth, let's add the lips. On the top, let's draw 2 bumps. And then a small curve at the bottom. And now let's hop up above the mouth and let's draw a curve like this. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and add the ears. Let's start at the top of the head and let's draw a curve up. And then bring it over to the right. Then for the next ear, let's draw a curve up with an S-shaped curve down. And then a bent line on the bottom right. Now before continuing the body, let's add the bow. Underneath, let's draw a square shape here. And then the sides of the bow out and back in on both sides. Now let's finish drawing the body, starting with the right arm. Start on top of the bow and let's draw a small curve, then continue it on the other side. Now let's continue this line by angling it down and out. Now let's move in and draw the other side of the arm with an S-shaped curve. Then about halfway, let's draw a curve up, and then 2 smaller curves underneath. Next, at the end of the arm, let's draw 2 curves, leaving a gap in the center. And then 2 wavy lines down. Now at the end, let's add the hand. At the end, let's start with a curve across. Then from the inside line, let's bring it down and back in for the thumb. Then let's add the next finger. and then 2 more in the same way. And that's it for the hand. Next, let's move back in and finish drawing the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve out to the left and curve it back in. Then another curve next to it. Now on the bottom left, let's add another larger curve for the belly. Now let's move over and draw the right leg. Let's start under the arm and let's draw a long, wavy curve down. Then at the end, let's curve it back up. Then another curve next to it. Then from under the body, let's bring it down and curve it back around for the last toe. Now let's draw another foot on the left in the same way. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's move over on the left side and draw the other arm and hand. Let's start next to the mouth on the left and let's draw an angle down and then curve it down at the end. And then inside, let's add another curve near the top. Now move back down to the end and let's draw 2 wavy lines down. Now let's add the hand at the end. Again, let's start with a curve for the top. Then draw the thumb on the inside. And then 3 fingers to close off the hand. And that's it for Happy Freya. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!